Hi, this is Sandy with needsaribbon.com, and I want to bring you a short tip that I have for you today. How to get many greetings, in fact 16 of them in one shot. We have the Many Happenings stamp set and the Many Messages stamp set, which all coordinate with the Messages die. The item number is down there, but it's blurry, in the annual catalog. And this is what the die looks like. And don't worry about my smudgy ones, I'm gonna throw them away anyway. And it didn't stamp real great because I need to ink my ink pad. But even for this pass, I'll get enough greetings out of it to make my while. But I wanted to show you, so if you get this, which is, why wouldn't you? Because goodness, you make 16 greetings just like that. You know, make like 5 sheets of them. Cut your paper to about 5 by 6. Yeah, they're really smudgy. That's okay. I have some better ones. You want to cut your paper to about 5 by 6 or 5.5 by 6.5 to make sure you have enough, because as you can see, that's probably going to cut off when it cuts, and that's fine. I've got several others, but it cuts all these unique shapes in just like that. But to line it up, this is how it's so easy. You line up your stars, your heart, and your star, or just even the 3 stars. As long as you're perfectly centered over those, the rest will cut out in a breeze. Don't know if I can show you one-handed, but in any case, whether I can or can't is, well, we'll see. Now I knew this thing would go all over the place. I'm trying to make this a fast video, and I'm not making it very fast by doing it this way. It's one-handed big shotting is, and I have a brand new, the new Stampin' Emboss machine, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I have not opened, and there are reasons for that. Okay, so let's take a look at this bad boy. I found that one pass you can crank it back through, but one pass does it because it cuts so well. Lift it off, and here, let me show you. This is what your sheet will look like. Look at how crisp those edges are. So just lift that. I have to punch a few out. And make sure that your ink pad is super inky when you do this. Even though I rubbed and rubbed and rubbed, I knew my ink pad was dying, and that's okay because I'll still get enough usable greetings. But there we go, 16 greetings at the ready. Oh, forgot one little star. Many messages, many happenings, and the messages die. 16, poof, just like that. Thanks. This is Sandy with needsaribbon.com.